Sir, on your U.S. trip, have you informed U.S. President Trump about your decision to decline the invitation to attend the summit? And who will represent you to the summit instead?
I think by this time, our Foreign Office must have advised China that I'm not going. And they do not want proxies there. That's what I've noticed when a head of state is absent. His chair remains empty. Nobody sits there. So wala siguro. Wala akong maituro na proxy ko will act as proxy.
Sir, may we know why you are skipping the summit in the U.S.?
For strategic and geopolitical considerations.